Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're looking to keep your SEO strong and make sure your visitors always land on the right page, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to walk you through exactly how to set up 301 redirects for your Webflow website. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to seamlessly guide visitors from old URLs to new ones, ensuring a smooth transition whenever you make changes to your site structure. Alright, let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to your site settings in Webflow. Go to your Webflow dashboard, find the website you want to work on, and click into the settings. There, look for the Publishing tab. This is where all the magic happens. Give yourself a moment to poke around if it's your first time. It's always good to get familiar with the interface. Now, as you scroll or hover down under the Publishing section, you'll spot a part labeled 301 Redirects. This is the section where you'll set up those essential redirects. But before we go any further, there's something important to note. 301 redirects in Webflow are only available on hosted projects, meaning you need to have a site plan added to your site. If you haven't added a hosting plan yet, you'll see a prompt or a reminder in this section. Don't worry if this applies to you, just head over to the Plans tab and pick one that fits your needs. Once your site is hosted, you'll be ready to proceed. So what is a 301 redirect and why should you care? Think of a 301 redirect as a way to tell both browsers and search engines, hey, this page has moved permanently, please go here instead. This is crucial if you've changed a page's URL or reorganized your website. Without it, visitors who have the old URL bookmarked or search engines that have indexed your old pages will end up running into 404 errors, which is never a good look. Now here's how you actually create a redirect. Inside the 301 Redirects section, you'll see two fields, one labeled Old Path and the other Redirect to Path. In the Old Path field, you want to enter only the portion of the URL that comes after your domain name. For example, if your old page was yourdomain.com/oldurl, just put /oldurl. Then in the Redirect to Path, add the destination URL. Again, only include the part after the domain, like /entirely/new URL/structure. This helps keep things clean and ensures it works correctly, no matter what your actual domain is. Double-check both fields for typos. A small mistake could mean the redirect doesn't work as expected. Once you're sure those are both correct, go ahead and click the Add Redirect Path button. You can add multiple redirects this way, which is super helpful if you're restructuring a bunch of pages at once or want to take care of folder-wide redirects. Don't forget, after adding all your redirects, it's important to publish your site for the changes to take effect. Just hit the Publish button, and Webflow will update your live site with your new redirect rules. To make sure everything's working, open a new browser tab and type in your old URL. You should be instantly redirected to the new destination. If not, revisit those URLs in your redirect settings. Sometimes it's as simple as an extra slash or missing character. And that's all there is to it. 301 redirects are a powerful tool for maintaining both your user experience and your site's search ranking whenever you move things around. If you found this helpful, give the video a like, and if you have any questions or want to share your own Webflow tips, drop a comment below. I love hearing from you. And don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.